There was once a valley where the people had forgotten how to look up. They argued over fences, fought over shadows, and blamed one another for the storms that rolled through their land. The more they argued, the lower they walked, until their eyes were fixed only on the dirt beneath their feet. They forgot their history, their strength, and even their shared home. High above that valley lived an old eagle. He had flown through wars, droughts, floods, and seasons when the valley nearly tore itself apart. He had watched generations rise and fall, and he knew something the valley people had forgotten. Storms don't destroy eagles. Storms reveal them. One day, when the valley was at its worst, the eagle descended, not to scold, not to choose a side, not to tell them who was right. He simply landed on a rock where everyone could see him. People stopped arguing long enough to notice the silence. The eagle didn't flap his wings or make a sound. He just stood there, steady, calm, unshaken.
Why did you come down?
Because you've forgotten what you are. You were never meant to live with your faces in the dirt. You were made to rise, to see farther, to build higher, to remember that you share the same sky, even when you disagree on the ground.
Then the eagle lifted off, slowly, deliberately, and soared straight into the storm clouds above. The people watched as he rose higher and higher until the storm that frightened them became nothing more than a shadow beneath his wings. And for the first time in a long time, the people looked up. Some followed with their eyes. Some followed with their hearts. Some followed with their hearts. And a few, just a few, began to climb the nearest hill. He didn't need to. He reminded them of who they could be. And that was enough to begin the healing.